So this is all the tomatoes from my garden. I have sickle cell anemia, which means I get very fatigued. So this is all the tomatoes from my garden. I have bags and bags of tomatoes. I have so many tomatoes. This whole black bag full of tomatoes too. But I went to the grocery store. The onions are on sale right now because it's Thanksgiving coming up. So I have a heck of onions. I chopped them all up at once, put them inside these bags, and whenever I need onions, now I just take them out the bag and put them right there. Hey guys, so I'm coming on here to basically end that part of my vlog. I basically cooked steak and then I made broccoli, but when I tell you I forgot to turn the oven off, so the broccoli burnt. Yeah, my daughter was like, you know the oven's still on, right? And I'm like, it is, because what happened was I got super sick. Like I said in my other vlog, I have sickle cell anemia, which means I get very fatigued, I get very lightheaded, I just get extremely sick, like I don't feel well, like I'm going to pass out, so I needed to go lay down. My husband and I, we both thought that we turned the oven off, but I guess we didn't, and the broccoli was crispy. Yeah, on touch, it literally fell apart. So I was really sad about that, because like broccoli is packed with iron, so I kind of sucked that I didn't get a chance to eat that, but you know, it was cool. I still ate the steak and I took an iron pill, and yeah, I went to bed. Yeah, so like the day before, jeez, the day before was Halloween, and I was super sick. It felt like I was frozen, for one. I wasn't cold, but like my legs were like, I don't know what the heck was going on with my legs. Like it felt like icicles. It felt like my blood turned to icicles, and like it was just, have your leg ever fell asleep, like when you're sitting on the toilet and you get like that tingling sensation in your leg, I mean like your butt, right? That was literally going through my legs. my legs as I'm walking. And we had to walk, we walked pretty far, so you know, on the way back, like I was in so much pain. My husband literally had to walk with his hands in my pants. Yeah. And I had to walk with my hands in my pants, and everybody was saying like, I don't know, we were trying to hide it from people, but you know, I don't know, it was kind of hard. Yeah, I'm pretty sure some people saw me walking with my hands in my pants, because like they was kind of like looking at me, and I was like, gee, I'm in pain. So yeah, that kind of happens when you have sickle cell. So yeah, I was just not feeling well. Like, I've been very sick for the past few months now. I'm guessing it's also because like the weather's changing. So like, no, I went from warm weather to cold weather now. So with that, oh wow, took my light away. So with the cold weather, it basically causes, I don't really know what it causes, honestly. I have to like look it up. Honestly, I've never looked it up, okay? I'm just telling you my experience. With the cold weather, it causes a lot of pain. It causes me to be fatigued, causes me to be, you know, feel like I'm gonna pass out, and, you know, my iron drops very fast. And also the fact that, like, it's also around the time I start my period. So, yeah, everything was just going on around Halloween that would just cause my iron to just drop. But yeah, anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The steak was really good. So, yeah. Yeah, we ate steak. Well, I don't think we ate. Did we eat anything else with that? I don't think we did. Once we burnt that broccoli. Yeah, no, we just ate steak. We just ate it like it was. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, please comment, because I would like to talk to people. I'm bored over here. Okay, I'll be talking to myself. I like to talk to somebody. Thank you. Bye.